My name is Lewis Ashton Pyatt. I currently am a mobile specialist cleaner, and I'm full-time employed.
And what are you doing here this week?
So this week has all been about BRRs, buy, refurbish, refinance. We've learnt about purchase lease options. So, and it's been a little bit about service accommodation, shared housing, just all different methods of properties and how you would rent them out or how you would buy them. So that's what this week has been all about, really.
Great. And what's the environment like? How's it been?
The environment's been absolutely great, I will say. Everyone here has been so kind, so caring, so helpful. Like especially like all the academy members, which kind of draw everyone's attention. You know, like you talk to any of them, got any questions, they'll help you, as well as all these mentors and team leaders here. That the academy members have been great for like any kind of help anyone wants. Really, it's been great.
Would you recommend this to someone?
Absolutely, 100%. Yeah, it's great. Anyone interested in getting into the property, anyone interested in making money from property, fantastic.